Alright guys, good day and welcome back to my channel guys. So ayan, update tayo sa panahon. Habagat pa rin at maalon pa rin yung dagat dito sa spot guys. Kaya for the meantime, manghihibas lang muna tayo dito sa tabi. Dahil hibas naman yung dagat, negative yung dagat ngayong hapon. Kaya susubukan nating maghunt ng mga seashell, especially aninikad. Tara, samahan nyo kami at may kasama ako ngayon, Danny Perul and Domino. Alright, let's go! Kanya-kanyang dampot na to.
Yeah. Bailando contigo, let's go. Know your body's got a rhythm I can't ignore. When you move like that, I'm wanting more. The way you steaming, you got me hypnotized. One look at you, I'm lost in paradise.
And by the way guys, pagpasensahan nyo na yung video ko ngayon dahil medyo malabo guys. Nakalimutan ko kasing punasan yung casing ng aking camera guys. Kaya eto, medyo malabo yung kuha niya. Pero tuloy pa rin na yung hunting natin dito.
So baby, I don't wanna waste a second. Your vibes are language and I'm learning every lesson. Your heartbeat's matching the drum of the song. Feels like forever when you're in my arms. Oh, every step you take I follow. You're the sun and I'm the shadow. The way we're moving feels so right. Let's keep dancing through the night. Bailando contigo, feeling the heat. You're letting my fire, I'm moving to the beat. Every touch, every glance, it's all I need. Bailando contigo, girl, set me free. Girl, set me free. Quiero más de ti, dame pasión. Y I just need my devotion. Cada movimiento es mi bendición. Every move you make me feel the emotion. Vamos juntos, no pares, sigue así. Stay with me tonight, it's just you and me. All about contigo, feeling the heat. You're lighting my fire, moving to the beat. Every touch, every glance is all I need. Bailando contigo, girl, set me free.
Alright guys, makalipas ang mahigit isang oras guys. Eto na, binanlawan na ni Danny Perul guys yung mga nakuha naming mga seashells guys. Mas marami yung mga aninikad talaga guys. Eto na, binanlawan na niya. Matik-matik. Ayos guys, nabanlawan na ni Danny Perul guys. Oh, Danny boy. Matik yan guys. Eto. Pero hindi siya humingi guys kasi umay na daw siya sa mga seafoods. Binigyan niya na lahat sa akin. Kaya eto, kinabukasan, matik ginataan guys. Kukuha na tayo ng niyog. Ayan. Tapos, bumunutan na natin yan. Matik yan. Alright. Ito guys, yung gata. Ayan, dalawang piga yung pinuha ko guys. Alright guys, ito na. Pinakuluan ko muna yung mga seashell hanggang kusang lumabas yung kanyang mga laman. And then, ito, gigisahin natin sa kaunting mantika. Tapos may mga bawang sibuyas at luya guys. Matik, simpleng luto lang. And so, minutes after guys, luto na ang ready to serve na. Alright! Ginataang aninikad is waving. Matik, bungkag na naman yung bahaw natin dito guys. And it's time to attack that table guys. Let's go! Matik. Gikapoy na ka? O stress na ba ka?
Ikapoy Jerome ha. Ikapoy ko kuan. Ikapoy ko isa na lugit. Ina, gilugit na.
It's lugit time. Babalik sa yakap. Ito guys, kainan na guys. Shush! Kain tayo guys, kain. Sabayan nyo kami. Alright guys, moments after, ayan, busog na. Antulid na po ang tinae guys. Matik yan. And that's all for this episode. Thank you for watching guys and see you next episode. Goodbye, Amping Permi!